Alright, you guys, I wanted to talk to you guys about using a SDAIE strategy called role play. And what is it? It's having students act out certain problems and solve the situations involving 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Students may also use these roles in such places like shopkeeping, the banker, or a customer. And I was thinking of like different other strategies that will work for other subjects instead of just math. So like for science, you can have the students stand up and act out as if they were the universal system. So like one person can be the sun, and then another person standing over the side can be the moon and the earth and all the other planets. For history, a person can act out a certain war, like World War I, World War II, or any other historical events. So why is it beneficial? Role-playing is a teaching strategy that offers several advantages for both you as the teacher and the students. This strategy can grab the students' attention and interest in the topic, which increases their involvement. As teaching strategy, it can help you as the teacher and students understand empathy and different perspectives of learning. That is really key. In role-playing, the student is representing and experiencing a character known in everyday life. So who does this work best for? Well, for the whole class. Different students have different forms of learning, and we want to make this available for all students. For students who have trouble comprehending the lesson, so that can include ELL and SPED students as well. Students who are more visual and physical learners will adapt well with this type of lesson. When and where to use it? During the class, of course, but when students find the information too difficult to comprehend, and it helps the teacher add like some type of visual understanding to the lesson. It also adds creativity and logical thinking for your students. So how do you use it? You organize a lesson that allows students to apply the research that they have looked for and move around. This also designs tasks that allow students to practice the objectives before understanding in front of the entire class to perform, or you can use it as a demonstration. So for example, if a teacher wants to use a role play for math, let's say elementary where they're learning addition and subtraction, you can have the students stand up and act as if they were bowling pins. A teacher can pick out someone to be the bowling ball. And you could say, what is 3 minus 1? There's 3 students up as bowling pins. 1 student is the bowling ball. The student acts as if they're rolling through and knocks 1 person over. You can ask the class how many bowling pins are left. 2. Now that is the role play strategy.